Imagine being able to manifest your desires, overcome your struggles, and live the life you've always wanted. This may sound like a dream, but the truth is, it's within your reach. The key to unlocking this power lies in understanding a fundamental truth about your life, that your imagination is the only true reality. As Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher and author, explains, the key to manifesting your desires is to assume the feeling of already having what you want, and to focus your thoughts and energy on that feeling. This may be difficult to accept, as it requires taking responsibility for the circumstances of your life. But once you can observe how the nature of your previous and dominant thoughts have attracted your current reality, it will become easier to understand that we do indeed create our own reality. This shift in mindset will speed up the manifestation process and help you overcome your recurring problems. By focusing on your imagination, you will take control of your reality and be able to shape it in a positive way. You will no longer seek validation or attention from others, as you will understand that everything in your reality is a reflection of your imagination. There are many examples of this in our everyday lives, such as moments of incredible coincidence, where you think of someone you haven't seen in a long time and they suddenly appear in your reality, or a song that's in your head that you hear playing. These are all solid proof of how our thoughts materialize in our reality. Therefore, wherever you place your attention, energy will follow. The assumptions you make for the events and people in your life will project outwards, and your thoughts and assumptions have an impact on your reality just as much as what you are actively doing. Your imagination is your position of power, and by changing it, you change the reflection of the world around you. The power of imagination is a fundamental truth of the law of assumption. It can change everything for you. Embrace it, use it to your advantage, and live the life you've always wanted.